Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Maria is on vacation in France. She walks into a small cafe. The cafe is warm and cozy. Maria looks at the menu. The menu is in French. She does not understand all the words. A waiter comes to her table. Bonjour, he says with a smile. Maria says bonjour back. She wants to order coffee. Un café, s'il vous plaît, she says slowly. The waiter nods and writes it down. Maria is happy that he understands. She also wants a croissant. Un croissant, she adds. The waiter smiles again. Avec du beurre, he asks. Maria does not understand the question. She looks confused. The waiter points to the butter on another table. Ah, yes. Oui. Maria says. She feels proud of herself. The waiter brings the coffee and croissant. Everything looks delicious. Maria thanks him in French. Merci beaucoup, she says. The waiter replies, de rien. Maria enjoys her breakfast and feels confident. Learn with LingoStories.app.